What is automatic payment program? Automatic payment program is used as a tool to make a payment to the vendors. In real scenario, there may be thousands, 10,000, 50,000, even million vendors are available. And to track the vendor payment records, it is very hard because we need to hire a different clerical team to manage the vendors relevant at particular area, and still there are chances to make a mistake to make a payment to the vendors. We are not able to enjoy the certain discounts as per their terms. So for that things, we need to design an automatic payment program, which is basically use a tool to make a payment to the vendors. So in this APP, we define a payment method, and that payment method must be assigned to vendor master record so that the payment can be made to that particular bank account. So to design an automatic payment program, the transaction code is FBZP. So when you select FBZP, then you will find the following 6 segments. First of all, it is all company code. Then second is paying company code. Then third one is payment method country. Then fourth one is payment method company code. Then bank determination. Then sixth is house bank. To do these settings, let us go to our system to show the things how it happens practically. T code, as I suggested you earlier, it is FBZP. So these are the 6 payment terms which I written in Excel file. So let us go one by one in each and every tab. For example, in all company code, we need to specify who is my receiving company and paying company. For example, my company is TAST. So TAST is not defined at here. So I need to define that company. Click on new entry, or you can copy from existing one. Select, copy TAST, and at here your paying company code is TAST. That means from this company code you are going to make a payment. So sometimes you are having multiple company codes, but you need to use a centralized system to make a payment. So in that case, you need to mention the sending company code. That means sister concerns, which will be there. And vendor special transactions, we can receive F and P. This is basically a down payment received. That means special payment if we want to make to the vendors. So these, if we define this as a vendor payments, that can also be selected by the system. Press enter, save it. Now go to the next screen, paying company code, check TAST, it is not there. Same, copy 001, click on copy. Here you mention your company code TAST. So at here in paying company code, you need to mention what is your minimum amount for incoming payment and what is your minimum amount for outgoing. Okay, so these are the settings which we mention at here. I am not discussing any forms which need to be assigned. I am just explaining the simple process. So change your company code at here. One entry chosen. Go back. Go back. Save. Changes, no. I want to save it. Save this. So my paying company code is created at here. First of all, I created the all company code. As I told you that this is used when we are making centralized payment. Now come to the payment method country. CR means country. Double click. So the payment method must be assigned in your country if you want to use. If you want to create new payment method, you can create that also. So in this scenario, we are using country in India, payment method C, and check we are going to use this to make a payment. So if we select this setting, here we need to mention that whether it is an incoming payment method or outgoing payment method, what is the mode of transfer of payment, whether it is a bank transfer, check or check bill, or there's multiple options. And while the system use this payment method C, in vendor master record, what is the required? If we need something, then we need to tick this. That means if I tick this option, then in vendor master record, street, PO or PO box or postal code must be there. If this information is missing, system is not able to select any vendor. And if you want to provide your bank details in vendor master record, so that means this bank information must be filled in vendor master record. If this information is missing, system is not able to make a payment to that particular vendor. So in this scenario, let me select this first option. In real scenario, we will use this bank details. Document types for payment ZP. Clearing document type for posting is ZP. These are the standard document types. That means when we use this payment method, which document type the system will use to post the GL accounts data.
Why ZP?
ZP means document payment. ZP is basically belongs to
ZP.
payment posting.
Payment posting.
Yeah. And ZV payment clearing document type. For example, if there is some matching debit and credit and matching, at that time ZV document type is posted.
That means always these two will be here then.
Yes.
So as standard we are not doing anything, just standard we will follow
Standard
it.
we are doing.
Okay.
And this settings we are use payment medium workbench. We will discuss this later. This is basically used when you need to send the file to the bank to process the payment. DME tree need to be defined and assigned at here.
The link should be defined here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And these are simple classic format which we are using. And press enter. So these are the different options are available. If you want to restrict payment method to this payment method C to certain currency, then you need to input the currency. If you don't input the currency, that means this payment method is valid for all the currencies. Permitted
And what is
destination
that C
countries.
means?
Permitted destination country. So if you want to stick this payment method to certain countries destination, you can mention. But if it is blank, then this payment method is applicable for all the countries.
C means check payment
C
method.
means check.
Okay.
So just save it. What changes? We have not make any changes. Okay. Then go back. Then go back. Then
Do
payment
you?
method in company code.
Okay, payment method.
Next option. Now go to your system. Go to TAST. So it is not there. Now click on new entry. TAST. Payment method is C. Minimum amount is 1. Maximum amount is this much we can make. Okay. Foreign business partner allowed, foreign currency allowed, customer vendor allowed. Press
What is that
enter.
distribution amount?
Forget it right now.
Okay.
Just focus on basic things. press enter and save it. Clear? So in this we define the payment method which is according defined in my company code. Payment method is already defined at country level, but we define that payment method in my company code only. Save this, go back.
So that means it will work only through the check because we have assigned this, right?
Yes.
Okay. For
Then
all
let
vendor.
for all the vendors.
Okay.
Now go to bank determination. Select your company, TAST. Select it. So these are the sub option which we need to select. Click on ranking order. Ranking order is nothing but the way if you are having multiple bank account, what is your ranking order number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can select that options. Click on new entry. Payment method C. If you are using one type of currency, you can mention the currency. If you are not sure, because it is possible that you may have bank account which can be maintained in multiple currency. So in that case, you need to change the currency. But I am not using the currency. Ranking order 1. And what is my house bank? Select this. This is my house bank. Press enter. Okay.
If I'll give INR there, that means we will use the payment only in INR.
INR. Let us say you open another bank account which you maintain in USD currency for
Yeah, because I
TAST.
have some vendor from USA.
No vendor. You have you open a because some vendors are there which is in USA.
Yes.
So in that case, you open a new bank account and the bank account that you are maintaining in USD currency.
Yes.
And if you want to use that particular bank account to make a payment with payment method C, system will not allow because at here you mention your currency is INR. But
Oh,
if it
okay.
is blank, then it is applicable to USD and CAD also, or INR also.
Whatever we can choose there.
Yes.
Okay.
Select
Right.
this, then come to this bank account enhance. Click on new entry, put up your bank account. My bank account is HDFC, payment method is C, currency is blank, ranking order 1, account ID, it is this. Now when I make a payment, which account need to be hit? Hello?
Yes.
Which account will hit?
Outgoing. Oh, okay. GL account you're saying?
Yeah. F4, chart of account is TAST, account type is F4, bank sub account. So it will hit my this account 2430010,
It
correct?
yes, it is a checkout.
Enter and save it. Now in S4HANA we have to S4HANA 2022 we need to do some extra setting also. uh, at here available amount, if you want to restrict amount you can do value date. If you want to provide the value date, system can give expense and charges. If you want to charge it indicator what amounts you can mention, we can come to this part later. So just we have defined the ranking order and bank accounts at there. Okay, remember this.
Bank account and bank account enhanced.
Yes, go this, go back, go back, go back. House bank we already defined, so no need to do anything.
Let's check it.
Right, so this is we have already done. So we are using this house bank and this is my account number from where I am making, and this is my bank key. This is the address of my bank from where I am making the payment. Okay, so
Okay.
just go back, go back, go back. So now go to SPRO, enter financial accounting, bank accounting, bank accounts. Okay, no bank transaction, business transaction, payment transactions. Not at here. Not at here. Then where it is? Here AP, business transaction, outgoing payments, automatic outgoing payments. Then automatic. Okay, this payment method, bank selection, assign account symbol to payment method. Double click. At here we need to assign C. New entry, IN, payment method C, account symbol. It is payment, right? Check pay. We need to select check
Check
pay.
pay, yes, check pay.
Check pay. Enter
Yes.
and save it. Remember this check pay, okay?
Yes.
So now we are assigning this check pay. Uh, Give me 1 second. Nothing to do at here. Okay.
Define reconciliation account without automatic payment.
Now we need to come to our bank part.
Surya.
Bank accounts, oh, sorry, business transactions, payment
बोले
transactions,
है तो
electric bill statements, make settings for EBS. At here, assign account symbol to accounts. New entry, account symbol. I need to search this. Control V. Select check pay. Account modifier. What is account modifier? Okay, plus 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 plus. Currency
what
also
is
blank.
this?
F4 2 4. What is the GL account? Our bank account outgoing 241. Do you remember?
242010, I think.
Two
Two four
four
two zero one
three
zero.
zero one zero, right?
Okay, two four
Two four
three zero
three
one zero.
zero one zero. Enter and save it. Now my this setting is completed. Now we need to post one vendor the invoice of 10,000 and second vendor amount of let us say 20,000.
Yes.
Okay, but be sure the payment method is assigned to this vendor. So slash and fk02. This is my one vendor. Press
Yes.
enter. At here, to run this program, I am changing it to 0001 to show whole amount due. And at here, we need to select payment method C.
See.
Okay.
Wow.
If you want to assign house bank, you can define house bank also. It's up to you.
What is this like screen called?
This is your vendor master
That
record, na?
Yeah, Mr. Vendor Master Record. Okay.
Vendor master record, it is in company code segments.
Okay.
Control S and go to general data. Be sure that your postal, street, address, whatsoever you mention your payment method should be here. Okay.
Then only it will take.
Then only it will take. If your payment transaction at here, so this is also there. If it is missing, then system is not going to process it. So save it,
Yes.
go back, FK02, next is 3 I think, enter.
Oh,
So under 3, again the payment method C is there, enter, and again check the address. Address is there, save it. Okay, so this is my one vendor, and this is my second vendor. I am posting these invoices to both the vendors 10 and 20,000. To post the vendor invoices, what is the T code? /n FB60, right?
yes.
Enter. This is my first vendor, Control C, Control V. You can put the date, let us say any date. Let us put 10/06/2025. 06/2025. Amount is 10,000. And this is expense account for 10,000. Enter, enter, save it. Post another invoice is 54. Invoice is 11/06/2025. 06/2025. Amount is 20,000 as per my sheet. I am posting the second invoices. This is my customer account, vendor account, sorry, 20,000. Enter, enter, save it. So both document is posted, okay? /n FBL1N. This is my first supplier and this is my second supplier. So how many open items are there? There are basically 3 items already posted, right? 30,000, so 10,000. So system will select all the 3 line items to make a payment, okay?
Okay.
So to run the program, the T code is /n F110. Put up the date 25/06/2025.
Today's date, yes.
Identification code, you can put up anything to identify yourself and press enter. This first part is called your parameters. Click on this parameter. Here you mention that posting date is 25/0/2025.
Yes.
Provide the company from which you are making the payment. Select the payment method from which payment method you are using to make a payment.
C. Okay.
Then next posting date, that means when you want to process next payment. Let us say 26/06/2025.
Next payment means like what?
But when you run this program next date, what should be your assumed next date for a payment for running this program?
Okay.
Now
And
at
before
here,
that, if you want to run, then
sorry,
if you want to run before that, what you mentioned there.
you can do that.
Okay.
Then at here need to mention and put it 4.
Yes.
Then press enter. Then click to this additional log. Select this option. Okay. Due date check, payment method selection in all cases, line item of payment documents. Here provide your vendor account number. 4, press enter, and then save these parameters. So you will get the message details have been saved for the run 25025 for JSR1, right? Click on status now. Now next is you need to run a proposal. Proposal is nothing but that means before making a payment, a document is displayed to you. So you need to schedule a payment proposal. Start immediately. Click on this option.
Target computer.
So here you will see proposal is running. System is working something. Click on status.
Wow.
Now the proposal is created. But how to see the proposal? Display proposal. So system is selected low two line item, but it is not able to, it is red. That means it is not thoroughly. There is some error in the system. Okay.
This is not an open symbol.
Yeah, that means it is this payment, there is some problem in the system.
Okay.
So how to check that issues? Click at here, display proposal log. So here you will find the message why it is not selected.
For our company.
So current
Multiple.
payment by selection for item details, system, house bank, and they are allowed. Our HDFC being changed. Current GL account is a reconciliation account. Account symbol checker pay is assigned to payment method. No account assigned. House bank is
No
selected.
account
Our bank
is
HDFC is
no
used.
account symbol.
Okay, so now it is corrected. Okay. So if you are satisfied with the result, right? Hello?
Yes.
If you are satisfied with the results and you are okay with the schedules, if you want to still edit the proposal, click on edit. It is not allow, yeah, it is allowing. Click on this amount. So at here they are putting 20,000. So whole amount they are showing, right? 154. What is the open item for 154? So it is
30,000.
selected only 20,000 payment. It is not selected 10,000. Why? Because we are having some period. So we can make this payment within 30 days. So if it become dues, then it is selected. Mr.
Very cool.
Khan.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So now go back. Now you
Okay.
run this payment run. Okay. Click
So
on
why it
payment.
has not been selected these 10,000? I don't get that.
Because it is 30 days. Payment terms due date is 30. We can make payment within 30 days. It is
Okay,
still not.
on due date it will be processed.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, okay.
Now click on payment run. Start immediately. Click at here. So payment is running. Status. So 2 payments is generated and 2 is posted completed.
Okay.
Okay,
How
to
to check
generated to
that?
completed.
How to check that? Go to your this customer line item. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Then click on this list. Refresh it.
Refresh.
So only one is pending, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
If you go back, select all items, execute. Here you can see, right? So this is document. You are asking me document type ZP is
Yes.
Yes,
selected for payment.
yes.
Document type on the basis of config done in payment method country. So this one payment ZP and this is second payment ZP. Is it
20,000
clear?
and 10,000.
Yeah. 20,000 and this is 10,000. Payment date, document date is 25 June. Document date is 25 June. So this is automatic
10
payment program.
10,000 still pending. It will be paid on 30.
Yeah, 30th.
Yes.
See, it is not shown as a due date. Due date is 30 days. That means when we book this invoice on 1st of June.
जो प्रोसेस हुआ उसका ड्यू डेट अभी आ गया था क्या?
किसका? उसका we need to change it to immediately ना.
Yeah.